Alright, welcome. I'm here now for box break number 7 of the TNA Tenacious. Maybe this time we'll get one of my autographs I'm looking for. Checklist. Okay, here we go. Nothing there. Looks like super close view. Here we go. First parallel, number 9 of 30. And it is Christopher Daniels. Don't forget, if anybody wants to buy a complete set, I'd gladly sell them one. If you're looking for any complete set of any wrestling cards, just let me know. Okay, I've got a hit here. Oh, it must be another nice one. It's numbered 43 of 50. It is. Let's get it out here. Authentic piece of shirt worn by Jeff Hardy. And it's autographed. Awesome. Best pull yet. And it's one of the guys I wanted. Love the card. I could do this all day. Here we go. We have a parallel. It's number 11 of 30. Cards are kind of stuck together there. It's Rosita. Here we go. We have our short print, number 60 out of 100. It's card number 119, Sting. Be nice to get Mickey James, Brooke Hogan. Alright, we've got something here. Oh, it could be a nice one. It's number 10 of 10. It is an autograph of Crimson. So that's the first autograph we have of with the red color. This box is turning out pretty good so far. Let's hope it stays that way. Come on, Flair. Come on, Hogan. Where you at? Okay, this is it for the cards here. Boy, these cards are really stuck. Here we go. Oh, we have another one numbered to 10. This one's number 1 of 10. And it is a knockout. Tara. 1 of 10. Nice hit there. Boy, I hope the rest of the boxes are like this one. What do I have left here? So 1, 2. I have 1 auto left. Yeah, this is the last pack, so hopefully it's in here. And yes, here we go. It is numbered 28 out of 100. It's Bobby Roode and James Storm. I think I already have this one. So for a quick recap of what we pulled, dual autograph Bobby Roode, James Storm. Tara, 1 of 10. Crimson, 10 of 10. Short print of Sting. Parallel of Rosita. Such a glare on these. Short print of Christopher Daniels. And the big hit, autograph shirt card of Jeff Hardy. So that's it for this box. Stay tuned for the next. Goodbye.